Hey guys, so it is currently the 12th of August, 6:49 a.m. So kind of woke up a little late, but that's because I was having some, actually no, I shouldn't say that. That's a bit too much information. It's fine. So the outside looks quite beautiful today. Well, right now, sorry, and it's all pink and orange. And that is putting me in a lovely mood to just, do some final revisions with physics. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just do like an active recall for everything, I guess. And then, again, this would have been better if I had palm cards, but hey, who can make like 1,000 palm cards in like 2 hours, right? Or maybe you can, but I'm not bothered because I hate palm cards I just hate it. And then I'll probably just write out the essay structures again and again, and tell myself repeatedly to read the question as if I haven't the last 3 tasks. Yeah, there's not really much to do, right? I guess this is like, I don't know, this feels like so tame compared to English. Anyway, let's not be complacent and not be apathetic and begin. Hey guys, so it is currently 7:32 p.m. and like, wonder why it's so late. And well, let's talk about the physics exam. So I do feel a bit scared about it. Hold on, let me get up my notes tab real quick. Okay. My biggest concern, and I'm not saying this because I'm like, oh, I'm so good at physics, like I'm literally number 1, right? No, I thought the test was too easy, which means that it means one of 2 things. It means either I missed a whole bunch of shit and I'm coming home with like a 70% or probably lower, or it means that it just was easy. And then and that's also bad because I am currently sitting at like, I'll say maybe like a middle to upper percentile, whatever. And if I found it easy, that means at least 30 people found it easier than me. So that means this physics test wasn't a knowledge test. It was a who can make the least amount of silly mistakes. And I am just a pro at silly mistakes, right? Because, with all my previous experiences, like all the questions were getting marks taken off. Like they were like giving out free samples. Like, oh, this question gets a -1 and that question gets a -2 and that question gets a minus like 4.5, whatever. But anyway, now I spent the rest of today, the past like 6 hours, doing absolutely nothing because tomorrow is extension 2 math. And I solely believe, because of my position and previous experiences, that I should not study for the day, like the day before a math test, because that never goes well with me. And I usually just do so much better when I don't study. But I don't know, it feels kind of empty, so maybe I will do something. The most I'll do is like a 10-minute like just review of my silly mistakes. Like I have the books right there. I'll probably just like look over it like, okay, cool, I did this, I did that. I'll just remember to do that tomorrow. And that's it. There's nothing else to do. Because I believe in the process. Okay? The process of 2.5 years. So yeah. I'll probably just do that for like 15 minutes and then go to bed and get like 10 hours of sleep, which is probably not good. But yeah, let's I guess Oh, sorry, I just realized I forgot to make my prediction. I am predicting that my physics mark is... Also, I lied about yesterday. I think my English is going to be an 84. 17 for short answer, 18 for 1984, 15 for mod A, 18 for mod B, and 16 for mod C. I think I might get a bit lower or a bit, hit the nail. But anyway, for physics, I think I am going to get... tricky. I'm gonna put in 85. All right, let's continue now. Guys, so as you can see, I'm in my retainers now because just finished up. I think it's 8:37 right now. I'm not sure, but a little past prepared time because I ended up helping a friend with some questions. It's okay though. That was fun and also kind of a break. So yeah, I tallied up all the stuff I went wrong with from all the past exams, and you can see that it's basically nothing. I'm not saying like, oh, I'm such a perfectionist, but it's like all the mistakes are the same. So I could just be like, okay, yeah, arithmetic error. That counts for this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. Anyway, guess I'll just look over that like tomorrow morning and just keep it in mind. But yeah, that's it. And I'm actually pretty excited after, because not only is one more, heavy weight lifted, because, 3U isn't really something to be worried about, but we also have Latin. And Latin, there is a beautiful, let me think, 8 days. 8 days to memorize. If I had 8 days for English, for mod A, that thing would be memorized so beautifully. And for some reason, I memorized Latin better than English, so maybe I should just become Latinese. That's probably a slur or something. I shouldn't say that. Anyway, that will be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I shall sleep my heart out and win back my rank 1 tomorrow. Let's go. Good night.